Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, hello, and welcome. And if you're not new, what's poppin'? So in today's episode, we're gonna be a bit on the fashion novel side, so to speak. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I would dress my favorite t-shirt. Now, if you're a t-shirt lover like me, I love t-shirts. I love t-shirts. If you're a t-shirt lover like me and you want to know how can I not look basic in a t-shirt, or if you want to start wearing t-shirts or it's kind of your comfort zone, this video is going to just show you how you can dress up and dress down your favorite t-shirt. So as you guys know, this is my recent favorite t-shirt, so I'm gonna use this and show you guys how I do it. Okay, if it is you are interested to know more, keep on watching. First up on the agenda, you can make sure to fold your sleeves and you can tuck in your t-shirt and make it like a blouse. This pants I got from Micles. Another thing that's really popular is knotting your t-shirts. I mean, it's like a must. You have to knot your t-shirt. if it's optional though. So I knot it at the front because of how large the t-shirt is. I make sure I'm tucking the sides so it doesn't look weird. Another thing too is tucking it in if you do not want the knot at the front to show. What's also popular is the sort of cap sleeve with your casual top. So what I do is show how you can use your bra strap to make your t-shirt look like a cap sleeve, and you can get a really casual chic look going on. I completely forgot to wear jewelry, my bad. If you don't want to wear short pants with it, you can also wear a skirt. Make it really girly. Here, I knot the t-shirt a different way. I pull either sides of the t-shirt. I make a tie to the top, a tie to the bottom, and the flap in the middle is what I roll over and then I tuck in. So you all have to really look at it to understand what it is I'm saying. And we cute. Yeah, that's it from the top, and then next I'll show you how it looks at the bottom. I decided to pair it with a different color skirt. By the way, these skirts are from Rattans, and this pants I got from Micles as well. It's a bit of a midi pants. It stops at my calf area. Another thing is I decided to do a clash of prints sort of way. My sister made this pants, but it's really short, so what you can do is use the length of the t-shirt to cover the back area of your pants so it does not look too inappropriate, or you can also fancy it up by throwing on a blazer. An oversized denim shirt is also perfect depending on the look you're going for, but I think this is the flyest of them all. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really interested to hear how you would dress up your t-shirt. Alright guys, so that concludes the end of my fashion thingamabob. I don't know what else to class it as. But I really hope you like this. Listen to me, I work hard. And the reason why I work hard is because Trinidad is a hot place. And I am sweating buckets, changing into these clothes and showing you guys how it works. So I think that deserves a like. I think you should click like just because of that. I don't know how hot Trinidad is. Oh my god, I really hope you like this video. I hope you like the ideas. If you have other ideas, share it with me. Your girl wants to know. Okay, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, like this video, because I sweat so much doing this look, and because you love me and because you enjoyed it and because you like the ideas. So until next time, share it with a friend. Bye. I'm so hot. Jeez and